आम आदमी पार्टीन एक कंप्लेन फायल केल्ली की जेन्ना मिनिस्टर आपल्याक एकमेकाक म्हणटाले ते सगळे 40 करप्ट जाल्यार आमी कंप्लेन फायल केल्ली की ताची कॉग्नायजन्स घेवची म्हणून एंटी करप्शनान की करप्शन इतलें आतां वाडलां सगळ्यांक खबर आहा आनी जेन्ना स्वता एडमीट करता मिनिस्टर्स तुमकां खबर आसतली गेल्ले फावटी बाबू आसगांवकर आनी मायकल लोबो एकमेकाचेर चार्जीस घाली करप्शनाच्यो तर तेच स्वता जेन्ना म्हणटा तेन्ना देर इज सम ट्रूथ इन दॅट अशें आमी हांकां इन्वेस्टिगेट कर म्हटलेलें तर ताणें आज म्हजो स्टेटमेंट घेतला ताचे आमी जे कंप्लेन घेतलेली आनी वी एक्सपेक्ट की फुडें ते आतां इन्वेस्टिगेशन करतले म्हणून.
कसली फायल केली तुमी कंप्लेन?
आमी फायल केल्ली की न्यूजपेपर जे रिपोर्ट्स असले ते तांकां धाडलेले की ते जेन्ना सांगता की मिनिस्टराचे कोट्स आसात तितून की आमी बरे कोण ना सगळे 40 आमी करप्ट आनी स्पेसिफिकली बाबू आसगांवकर आनी मायकल लोबो एकमेकाचेर महाकरप्ट म्हणून जे चार्जीस घाली दीस इज द रायट डिपार्टमेंट टू इन्वेस्टिगेट इट म्हणून आमी तांचे कडेन हें केल्ली तक्रार केल्ली ती आज ताचेर आमी डिपोज केला डिपोजिशन दिलां.
आनी केन्ना बी आपयला बी
ना आतां ते तांचें काम न्हू फुडें इन्वेस्टिगेशन. This is basically to do with a charge of corruption made by a minister against all of them, including himself. Ki all 40 are corrupt. There was a counter charge made by Minister Michael Lobo that Babu Asgaonkar is corrupt. When the responsible officers, ज्यांच्यानी oath घेतला to uphold the constitution, uphold the rule of law, तेच स्वतः जेन्ना corrupt म्हणटा तेन्ना it has to be taken cognizance. You cannot ignore such statements. म्हणून आमी ते तांकां धाडलेले टू इन्वेस्टिगेट दॅट. So that process has started for us. So I have given my deposition.
The record is been placed in front of the SAB.
We have given them newspaper clippings. It is for them to investigate how and under what circumstances such statements were made.
As an Aam Aadmi Party, what do you have to say?
We are.
Do you feel like all 40s are corrupt?
We are basically a party which has come on the platform of India against corruption. That they are themselves corrupt, we have to bring it to the notice of the proper authority. Even as a common citizen, it would be prudent on our part to bring it to the notice of the Anti-Corruption Bureau.
But you do believe in such an allegation made by the...
See, सगळे जाण जाणा आज गोंयांत कितें चल्लां तें. ओके, तितून आनी ओवरस्टेट करपाची गरज ना. हें चलता, when we talk it is okay, but when it comes to record, आनीक a proper authority who can go into these issues, this is the authority we have come to them. Goa is one of the most corrupt states among all the states of India. This is a statement I can make. तांचेच कडेन कितल्यो केसी आहा त्यो पळय आनी कितल्यो नोंद जायना त्यो पळय. In the index, corruption index, Aam Aadmi Party says that Goa is one of the most corrupt states. CAG ने काढला मरे. You go through the CAG report. Comptroller and Auditor General is a statutory authority, constitutional functionary. ताणेच कितले ताशारे मारले यांचेर. They don't want to take cognizance. That is the reason again we are saying they want to run away from the assembly without discussing.